Hello everyone. Today we will solve the fourth question of LeetCode. That is, we have to find the median of two sorted arrays. Here two arrays are given here. One is A and one is B. Both arrays are sorted. So to solve this question, the best approach will be to store these two arrays in a new array so that it will come like this 1 3 2 4, and then we will sort this array. So it will become 1 2 3 4. Now since the length of this array is 4, which is even, so the median will be the average of these two, that is 3 plus 2 by 2, that will be 2.5. So coming to the code, how we will solve this. So first we will declare one vector, that is num3 of size of so we have declared one array, one vector num3 containing the size of num1 array and num2 array. So since we have to merge these two arrays into one array, now we'll form a loop and we will store the values of first vector into our new vector through this loop. Okay, and then we will go to second vector and we will store those values in our new vector. Okay, so now we will sort it using the sort function, and nums1 dot nums3 is our new vector which we are going to sort. So yeah, we have sorted our new vector. Now we'll store the size of our new vector in S, and here we will compute if S, that is the size, is divisible by 2, which means if it is even or odd. If the length is even, then median, we have to declare a median. Median will take double, since median can be decimal also. We have to take the average of both these, like middle elements, if the length of the array, that is a vector, is even. So we'll do a little computation. Okay, so basically what we have done is, we have, if our length of the vector is even, that is here as you can see the length of the vector is 4, we have to sum the middle two, we have to take the sum of this middle two element, and then we have to divide it by 2, so we'll get the average, that is the median. Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Length is 4. So if we divide 4 by 2, we will come here, and divide by 4 by 2 minus 1, it will be here. So we are just summing these two elements and dividing by 2, so we will get the median. And if it is the length of the vector is odd, then we have to take the middle element. For that we will just and let's just return median. Okay, sorry, the typo. Yeah, so basically after writing this code, we have our code runs 79.31% faster. Like overall, more than 75% is faster than other code. So thank you. This is a solution.